If your iPhone 15 on iOS 26 keeps disconnecting from Wi-Fi and jumping to mobile data, it's usually caused by a few settings you can fix in seconds. Here's how to stop it. Start by disabling Wi-Fi Assist. This feature automatically uses mobile data when your Wi-Fi is weak, which is why your iPhone 15 keeps switching back and forth. Open Settings, tap Cellular, then scroll down and turn off Wi-Fi Assist. Next, check your Cellular Data Options. Making sure the right mode is enabled helps your iPhone 15 avoid unnecessary mobile data switching. Going back to the Cellular Settings screen, tap Cellular Data Options and review your settings for data mode. Make sure that Allow More Data on 5G isn't selected. Finally, try resetting your network settings. This refreshes all Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular configurations that may be causing the issue. Go back to the settings screen, tap General, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, select Reset Network Settings, and enter your passcode to confirm. Once you do these steps, your iPhone 15 should stop switching to mobile data and stay connected to Wi-Fi more consistently. If this video helped you fix your connection, please give it a like or watch another video to learn more useful fixes for your device.